Okay, so recently we've noticed that our Roborock 5 is not doing so well on our carpet. We have a Roborock 5 upstairs and it only does bedrooms and a study on carpet. So closer inspection shows that the wear, the thread on the wheels is completely gone. So today I'm just going to quickly show you how to replace the thread on the wheels and how this easy fix will fix your Roborock 5. To disassemble the back plate, the first thing we need to do is remove these brushes. Simple screwdriver and the screw that stays in. Then we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that we need to loosen up. For this video, I'm just going to quickly speed it up by using my drill. Not really much that can go wrong. It's a great opportunity also to clean your machine and give it a bit of a dust off. And this repair should take no longer than 5 minutes. So when you've removed those 7 screws, you remove the back plate, put it aside, and this will give you access to the 2 wheels and their clusters. Use a screwdriver and loosen up 3 screws that hold the cluster of wheels together. As you can see, this is very straightforward. And all you need to do is pull the cluster straight up because it is plugged in at the back. So a quick inspection and a little bit of dusting wouldn't go astray. And then you simply put on the threads that you bought through the link that I've provided below. Put the thread back on. If there's any leftover thread from the previous, I would suggest you take that off, and now you can see this is a really nice tight fit. Then all you need to do is replace the unit, push it down and tighten the 3 screws that you've just taken out. The thread on the wheels tends to slowly over time, especially on carpet, degenerate, and this simple repair will take your machine back to the way it used to be. So I'm just going to quickly pause the video before I put the back plate back on, and in the meantime replace the thread on the other wheel as well. Okay, the second cluster is now in. You can see that the wheels spin freely and everything has been tightened. Now all that rests us to do is to reinstall the back plate, bottom plate I should say. Don't over tighten your screws. Two more to go. Last one. Excellent. And replace the little side brushes here. So this Roborock is ready to go. It should be spinning and moving pretty nicely on our carpets. And it's a great opportunity to give the machine a quick clean so we can enjoy using it for another few years. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video or if it was been helpful to you, please like and subscribe, as I will post more videos shortly. Thank you.